Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some of the stocks on the move. Today, we're joined by Bloomberg's Christine Aquino. Christine, what are you looking at today?
Let's take a look at Vistra, Paul. Biggest gainer in the S&P 500 today. So ticker VST. Those shares are up more than 13%, set for the biggest gain since April 2025. And that is because Meta is in fact out with a deal to purchase electricity from 3 existing Vistra plants. So Vistra is actually part of a bigger deal by Meta to purchase and just make a lot of electricity deals with a bunch of providers, right? And this is essentially their play to be the biggest buyer of nuclear power among its hyperscaler peers. And, we don't know actually what the agreements are worth, but analysts are saying that this could easily represent billions of dollars in total revenue for some of these electricity generators. This is why we're seeing such a big increase in the shares today.
Yeah, it's had a pretty volatile run this week. Up 4% on Tuesday, down 9% on Wednesday, but for the week, it's up about 4%.
Such is the life of a power generator.
Well said. All right, next up on your list.
Let's take a look at GM. That's not doing too well today. So ticker GM, those shares are down 4.5%, and that is because the company continues to take a hit on its EV investment. They said that they will take another $6 billion in charges tied to production cutbacks in its electric vehicle and battery operations. So we got that announcement yesterday, actually, but the shares are reacting today. And that brings the total write-downs from GM's bet on battery electric cars to $7.6 billion. Ouch. And again, this just reflects the broader challenging environment for electric vehicles. We do, of course, know that President Donald Trump's administration has moved to eliminate federal support for EVs. The latest tax and spending bill, if you recall, scrapped $7,500 of federal tax credits for EV buyers, and GM's feeling the pain.
How about Southwest Airlines?
Southwest Airlines, ticker LUV. So that's not doing too shabby this morning. Shares are up 2.5% at the moment. It got a pair of upgrades, a number of shops. So JPMorgan raising that recommendation on that stock to overweight from underweight previously. And they're seeing an increase potentially in its earnings per share guidance, earnings season coming out. So we're going to be keeping an eye on that. Susquehanna also raising the price target on the company to $45 from $35 previously. Current price is $44, but that implies about a 4.8% increase from last price.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.